Do you wish to have a better life? Many of us strive for improvement in various aspects of our existence, be it in health, relationships, or career. One powerful tool that can aid in achieving these goals is the use of positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are specific statements that can help you challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. When you repeatedly affirm your dreams and ambitions, you begin to believe in the possibility of making them a reality. This video will explore how you can harness the power of positive affirmations to manifest a more fulfilling life. We'll break down what makes affirmations work, how to craft them effectively, and integrate them into your daily routine for maximum benefit. Affirmations are more than just feel-good quotes or motivational sayings. They are designed to perform a clear function in the mind, to mold our perception and our reality by influencing our subconscious mind. At its core, an affirmation is a type of positive self-talk that can rewire our brains to believe that achieving our goals is not only possible, but likely. The mechanism behind this involves consistent repetition, which encourages the brain to take these positive declarations as facts, gradually changing your mindset and behaviors towards those of a more confident, successful, and happy individual. Crafting effective affirmations is a delicate art. To make an affirmation work for you, it needs to be personal, it must resonate with your particular desires, and it should be phrased in the present tense to establish a sense of immediacy and reality. For example, instead of saying, "I will be successful," a more immediate and personal affirmation would be, "I am successful in my endeavors." This subtle shift in wording can dramatically alter the affirmation's impact, making the brain more likely to accept it as a present reality rather than a distant future. The effectiveness of affirmations can be traced back to basic psychological principles, such as the self-affirmation theory, which suggests that actively and consciously affirming one's own values and beliefs helps in maintaining a positive self-image. Maintaining this positive self-view reduces stress, increases well-being, and improves performance on various tasks. Moreover, research in the field of neuroplasticity suggests that affirmations can reprogram the brain's neural pathways, making positive outcomes more achievable over time. By consistently practicing positive self-talk, we reinforce these pathways, making positive behavioral changes not only possible, but a natural progression. In terms of empirical evidence, numerous studies have shown that regular use of affirmations helps reduce stress, improve academic performance, and even increase resistance to harmful behaviors like smoking. In healthcare settings, affirmations have been shown to decrease stress among patients undergoing surgery and improve physical health. What's essential here is understanding that affirmations are not just whimsical wishes. They have a solid grounding in psychological research, making them a robust tool for personal transformation. Creating your own affirmations is a critical step in utilizing this tool effectively. When you begin to craft affirmations, it's important to make them specific to your own needs and aspirations. This personal touch not only enhances the relevance of the affirmation, but also increases the emotional impact, making it more powerful. To start, affirmations should be phrased positively and in the present tense. This helps your mind to perceive them as current truths rather than as future possibilities. This immediate framing is crucial because it helps you visualize achieving your goals now, which reinforces the belief in their attainability. The language of your affirmation should be clear and concise. Ambiguity can dilute the impact of the message, so it's vital to be straightforward. For instance, if your goal is to feel more confident in professional settings, your affirmation could be, "I am confident and articulate in all my work meetings." This direct statement reaffirms your capability and prepares your subconscious to act accordingly. It's also useful to include action words that invoke a sense of capability and decision-making, as they prompt the brain to take proactive steps towards fulfilling the stated affirmation. To benefit truly from affirmations, they must be a consistent part of your daily routine. Just as you wouldn't expect to remain healthy on a single meal, affirmations require regular engagement to influence thoughts and behaviors significantly. Integrating them into your daily life can start with saying them out loud each morning or writing them down in a journal every night. Some people find it effective to post their affirmations in visible places, such as on the bathroom mirror or the refrigerator door, where they will see them throughout the day. Another effective method is to incorporate affirmations into your meditation or mindfulness practices. During meditation, your mind is receptive and quiet, which can make it an ideal time to introduce positive affirmations. As you meditate, repeat your affirmations slowly and with intention. Visualize the words as you say them, imagining yourself living the reality they describe. This visualization technique not only helps to embed these affirmations deeper into your subconscious, but also aligns your mental and emotional state with your goals, making it more likely that you will act in ways that align with your affirmations throughout the day. While you continue to use affirmations, you may encounter skepticism or negative thoughts that can disrupt your practice. It is natural sometimes to doubt the power of affirmations, especially if you do not see immediate results. Addressing these doubts directly is crucial for maintaining your commitment to this transformative practice. Start by acknowledging these feelings without judgment. Recognize that doubt is often a part of the process of changing deeply ingrained thought patterns. To counteract negative thoughts, maintain a disciplined approach to your affirmation practice. Consistency is key. It reinforces the positive statements and makes them stronger than the negative thoughts trying to surface. If a particular affirmation starts to feel less impactful, it may be time to revise it. Ensure that it still aligns with your goals and resonates with your current emotional state. Sometimes simply rephrasing an affirmation can renew its effectiveness and help keep your practice fresh and relevant. Enhancing affirmations with visualization techniques can significantly increase their effectiveness. Visualization involves vividly imagining achieving the outcomes you're affirming. This practice not only reinforces the belief in the possibilities of your affirmations, but also helps condition your mind and body to act as if those affirmations are already true. When you visualize, engage all your senses to make the experience as real as possible. Imagine the sights, sounds, and feelings associated with your success or happiness. Begin integrating visualization into your affirmation routine by setting aside a few minutes each day to close your eyes and focus solely on the desired outcome. Picture yourself living out the scenario you've been affirming. For instance, if your affirmation is about being confident and effective at work, visualize yourself in a meeting speaking confidently and your colleagues responding positively. This method not only boosts your emotional and psychological state, but also prepares you mentally to handle these situations in real life. As with any personal development technique, tracking your progress with affirmations is essential. This not only provides insight into what's working well, but also identifies areas where adjustments may be necessary. Start by keeping a simple journal dedicated to your affirmation practice. In this journal, record the affirmations you use, the frequency of your practice, and any changes you notice in your thoughts, feelings, or behaviors. This record keeping can be immensely valuable, as it allows you to see patterns and effects over time, giving you real data on your personal growth. When reviewing your progress, pay attention to how you feel both before and after your affirmation sessions. Note any increase in positivity, shifts in mindset, or even small steps taken towards your goals that align with your affirmations. If over time you find that certain affirmations no longer resonate as strongly, consider revising them. This isn't a sign of failure, but rather an indication of your growth and changing needs. Updating your affirmations to reflect your current state and future aspirations keeps your practice dynamic and relevant to your life. To enhance the effectiveness of your affirmations and speed up the manifestation process, integrate other complementary practices. One powerful technique is to engage in affirmation meditations. These sessions involve focusing deeply on your affirmations while in a meditative state, combining the calm, receptive state of meditation with the focused intent of your affirmations. This combination can deepen the impact of the words and hasten their manifestation. Another advanced tip is to practice gratitude alongside your affirmations. Gratitude naturally elevates your mood and energy levels, making you more receptive to positive experiences and outcomes. Each day, after your affirmation practice, spend a few moments reflecting on what you are grateful for. This could be as simple as being thankful for a peaceful home environment, or as significant as appreciating recovery from an illness. Gratitude not only enhances your overall well-being, but also aligns perfectly with the positive mindset fostered by affirmations. Maintaining motivation for ongoing affirmation practice can sometimes be a challenge, especially if you're not seeing immediate results. To keep yourself motivated, it's crucial to set realistic expectations and understand that personal growth is often incremental. Recognize that each small step forward is a part of a larger journey towards achieving your goals. To aid in maintaining motivation, it can be beneficial to set smaller, short-term objectives that are achievable and directly supported by your affirmations. This allows you to celebrate small victories, which can significantly boost your motivation to continue. Another effective strategy is to periodically review and reflect on the progress you've documented in your journal. This reflection can reinforce the effectiveness of your efforts and highlight the positive changes that have occurred, however small they may be. Sharing your journey with a supportive friend or a group can also provide encouragement and accountability, which are invaluable for staying on track. Fully integrating affirmations into your everyday life involves more than just regular practice. It means embodying the principles of your affirmations in all your actions and decisions. Begin by aligning your daily behaviors with the positive statements you affirm. For instance, if your affirmation is about being more open and connecting with others, consciously make an effort to engage more openly in your interactions throughout the day. This could be as simple as initiating conversations or offering help to someone in need. Incorporating affirmations into your routine can also be enhanced by using technology to your advantage. Set reminders on your phone or computer to pause for a few minutes to repeat your affirmations, especially during times of the day when stress levels are high or when transitioning between tasks. This not only reinforces the affirmations, but also serves as a regular mental reset that keeps your energy aligned with your intentions throughout the day. Thank you for joining us in exploring the impactful world of affirmations. By applying the techniques we've discussed, you can begin to see significant changes in your mindset and your life. The key to making affirmations work is consistency, belief in the process, and the willingness to integrate them into your daily activities. If you found value in this video, please consider liking it and sharing it with others who might benefit from learning about positive affirmations. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. We appreciate your comments and feedback. Let us know how affirmations are making a difference in your life, or any other topics you'd like us to cover. Thank you for watching, and keep affirming your way to a better life.